So now let's see how we can work around with superglue and atomic particle inside of HitFilm. So over here, if I were to go around on the left hand side over here under lights and flares, then you can see that superglue is an option. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out over here on my particular video effect, then you get the superglue as the name suggests, as you can see. So now what you can do is you can change around the radius right here, you can change around the power, the exposure, the spread over here just like this, and the threshold as well. And even work around with the threshold smooth right here and clamp to the S as well. So over here, right around to the S, you can see that as I enable and disable, you get the clamp to the S, and it even glows outside of the S, as you can see right here. So this is the effect that you have. So apart from that, you got the style right here. You can go around and change around the tint right here, the tint amount, as you can see, the aspect ratio of the tint right here, and change around the blend mode as well. And over here, you can see that you can go around, change around the hotspot, as you can see right here, and work around with the softness, the power, the threshold, and the threshold smooth right here. Then you got the vertical, as you can see right here, and change around the size over here as well, and work around with the chromatic aberration right here, and change around the effect, as you can see, like the angles and the channels right here. Then you can go around and add in some greens over here as well, and add in strength to the greens as well. And this is what you have, as you can see, as an effect right here. So you can also go around and change out to let's say, for example, a monochrome effect and everything else right here. So these are the super glow effect, as you can see right here, that you can utilize to change around the outlook of the video as you like and make it very dreamy. So apart from that, you also have an effect called atomic particle, but that's a part of the particle simulation. So if I were to go around and right click and make a composite shot right here just like this, then what I can do is I can go around and drag in the atomic particle right here. So once I do that, then nothing actually is here, as you can see, but you can go around and change around the particle displacement and everything over here. Let me just go around and choose star field, and you can see the atomic particle right here, just like this. So now you can go around and change around the position right here of the particle by clicking and dragging this. And then you can go around, change around the rotation, as you can see right here. You can rotate out the particle, and then you can go around and change around the number of the particles over here as well. You can increase and decrease out the particles as you like right here. You can go around and twist out the particle right here, and then work around with the depth as well, and then work around with other things like particle size right here, as you can see, and so forth. So if I were to go around onto Windows and then so forth, you can go around and add in with the blend mode and so forth, as you can see right here. So that is what you can do. There's a lot of effects, as you can see, like you can change around the amount, the dispersion map right here. You can change around the fractals, as you can see right here, and then so forth. So you can go around, change around the size right here based on particular layers right here. And you can go around and work around with the spherical wrap right here. You can add in some feathers and add in motion blur to it. You can turn it on right here like comp settings, and you can enable depth of field as well, and so forth, according to the active camera. So these are all the settings that you can work with right here to add in atomic particle inside of HitFilm. And that is how you can add in superglue and atomic particle effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.